Welcome, students. We have today to start a new lesson, Human Health and Diseases. If we are talking of human diseases, it can be broadly categorized into two groups: the congenital disease, which is also called the genetic disorder. Such disorders like Turner syndrome, Down syndrome, these are the genetic disorders, and the disease prevails right from the birth of the individual. The other group of diseases or the type is the acquired disease, and this acquired disease can further be classified into two groups: the communicable and the non-communicable disease. If we are talking of this communicable disease, it is also known as the infectious disease, and it is caused due to some infecting agents. And those which are non-communicable disease, they are called non-infectious disease. If the communicable disease is concerned, it is the contagious disease and a non-contagious disease. A contagious disease is caused due to the direct contact of the individual. For example, uh, if we just go in contact with a person who is suffering from smallpox, the disease is caused. Similarly, many sexually transmitted diseases are placed under the group contagious disease, such as AIDS or the syphilis, gonorrhea. These are called the contagious disease because it is caused due to the physical contact of the healthy person with an infected person. The non contagious diseases are caused through the causative agent. For example, malaria, tuberculosis, cholera, these are the non contagious diseases. If we are talking of this non communicable disease, it can further be classified into deficiency disease, degenerative disease, allergic disease, cancer, mental disorder, addiction, etc. Deficiency disease, we are well acquainted with such diseases: deficiency of iron, deficiency of vitamin D, with deficiency of vitamin C. These are all the deficiency diseases. Degenerative diseases are osteoporosis, that is caused due to the aging effect, and the allergic diseases are caused due to some agent present in the atmosphere. For example, pollen grains are getting released from the flower cause some ill health effect on some of the individual, and it is called the allergic disease. Cancer, we are well acquainted with the disease cancer. It is also a non-communicable disease, mental disorder, and addiction. According to the nature of the pathogen, communicable diseases can be a viral disease, a rickettsial disease, mycoplasmal disease, chlamydial disease, bacterial disease, spirochetal disease, protozoan disease, helminthic disease, and a fungal disease. Among this group, rickettsial disease, mycoplasmal disease, chlamydial disease, spirochetal disease, etc., are quite uncommon. It is not so prevalent in our surrounding. So, you people might feel uh, getting a little confused to hear the name of such diseases. If we are talking of the rickettsial disease, it is the group of disease caused by a microorganism rickettsia, and it spreads from the arthropod like mites, fleas, ticks, etc. Such diseases cause damage to blood vessels and other tissues. Fever, headache, and widespread rashes are some common symptoms. Mycoplasmal diseases caused by the infection of mycoplasma, a bacteria without cell wall around the cell. Sneezing and coughing release droplets that can infect a healthy person. Sore throat, fever, headache, fatigue, etc., are the symptoms of mycoplasmal disease. Affected organs can be lungs, skin, urinary tract, etc. Chlamydial disease, it is the disease. Such diseases are caused by a bacteria and spreads through unsafe sex without condoms. Women develop PID, a medical emergency known as pelvic inflammatory disease. Symptoms are fever, severe pelvic pain, nausea, and abnormal vaginal bleeding between menses. Apart from this, sometimes, as far as your examination point of view is concerned, some of the common questions that are likely to be asked in the examination, that is pathological test for certain diseases. For example, name of the test is RA factor. It is the confirmatory test for rheumatoid arthritis. Mantox test, it is the confirmatory test for tuberculosis. And tourniquet test for dengue fever, lepramin skin test for leprosy, Vidal test for typhoid, Wassermann's test for syphilis, ELISA enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. It is a test and it is the confirmatory test for AIDS and hepatitis B and C. Sometimes vaccine and the person who discovered it is also asked in your examination. I am here giving you some of the diseases and the person who invented it. The smallpox vaccine, it was discovered by Edward Jenner, and rabies and anthrax. The vaccine for these two diseases was developed by Louis Pasteur. Cellular immunity to tuberculosis, it was the vaccine developed by Robert Koch. BCG vaccine, Calmet Guerin, and vaccine against hepatitis B, Bloomberg. Oral polio vaccine, Albert Bruce Sabin. For today's video, this much only. We shall discuss the next topics in our next video. Thank you.